What's going on? Thanks for coming and checking out another video. We're doing a Wix cabin filter over here on this 2013 Honda Civic SI. It'll be the same for all the Honda Civics, so I'm just going to put Honda Civic, not SI, in this video, and I'm going to take you through step by step. So let's get into it. This is a Wix filter, part number 24815. Open the glove box. Take all the stuff out because it's going to fall out onto the floor when we pop the glove box from its holder here. You're going to push on both sides of the glove box, and you're going to pull it forward like so and fold it down. And then the filter is inside of here. You just pull this little clip and it will pop out. Reach in here, grab it, and you're gonna pull. And the junk's on top, so be nice. Ooh, this one's nasty. And then I'm not gonna throw that because it's just gonna go all over my shop. Now we can take the new one here, unpackage it, boom, and you're gonna slide it in. See, it says the arrow here, that's the airflow, and since all the dirt was on top, the airflow is coming from the top and going down, so you want this arrow facing down. So we are this is actually labeled here, airflow, arrow down, so you're gonna match that arrow down, and you're just gonna slide it back into the hole like so, and then you're gonna grab the cover and you're gonna clip the cover back on. So you're gonna go boom boom, clicky clicky, lift up the glove box, push it, now it's locked. Now take all the rest of your junk that was in the glove box, put it back, shut the glove box. Hopefully this video helped you out, saved you some money. If it did, like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.